Go for it.
We're on.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're really thankful to have Michael with us today. We're at the Hilton in London, and we're just really thankful because he's the most inspirational. He's so inspirational, and I don't know what else to say, but I'm so thankful to be his friend. And I'm so thankful to be in London with the #1 networker of the world, who is spending...
Networker of the year, if you please. And apologies because we're about to be disturbed by an airline coming in. We're currently under the flight path of...
And the flight path is so cool when the next airplane comes
Yes,
through.
and then
It's so cool.
Michael will swivel the camera around and you will be able to actually watch an aircraft coming into land in Heathrow. And we're hoping it's going to be a
big one.
Airbus 3...
We like a big one.
Yeah, a big one. The bigger the better. In everything. As Freddie Mercury once mused.
Speaking of bigger and better.
There you have it. There he is. Bigger and better.
Yeah, really great to be here. It's fun. I can't believe I'm with these people because it's a long way from Birmingham. Birmingham, which we were at before. So.
Well, you know, I'm so thankful and I'm so honored that you came all the way here to see me. I'm really honored. Like, honestly, I'm really honored to see you. Here it comes.
And here it comes. Here we go.
Go for it. I've never seen anything like that. That is so incredible. Anyways, welcome to the UK. It's so incredible. So, anyways, I'm just thankful to be with these friends of mine, and they're incredible people at every level. And if you need a speaking help, to be a speaker, you call Michael. If you need networking help, you call Marc. And if you need movies or films, you call Megan.
Yeah. And this is a great metaphor that we're at Heathrow. This is the takeoff of the Beverly Hills and Birmingham connection, because we're hoping to twin Birmingham and Beverly Hills, because Birmingham is the #1 city in the world for creativity, innovation, engineering and manufacturing.
Well, then we got to give a shout out to Ash, because Ash is one of my friends in Beverly Hills that is a total networker. So we give a shout out to Ash, and yeah, it's all good. More importantly, happy health. If you have a pulse, you have a purpose. So never give up, stay focused, and God bless you all.
So that's the thing, if you've got a pulse, you've got a purpose. Wow.